Hi, my name is Bobby from Bota Welding and Cutting Company. Welcome to see our factory. I'd like to introduce you welding positioner, or you call it welding turntable. This is a 2-ton welding positioner. This table is extra larger, especially customized for a customer. You can see this slot. You can put a 3-jaw chuck on it. This when the turntable rotates, you can see this screw, the motor at the bottom. For these legs, if you have special size the work table, we can make it with extended legs. This is the flipping reducer for this fan gear. Normally for over 5 tons, we have 2 fan gears. This one, we have only 1. This 3 tons, 5 tons. It's all our stock. We can ship immediately. We have 600 kilos there. This is the special, this is the standard, not very heavy duty. For super heavy duty, we have double base positioner. So if you want to know more of our products, see the link at the bottom and contact me freely. Thank you.